This is the Fusion magnetic case from Ringke, and it's a completely see-through clear case with obvious MagSafe on the back, so we'll test that out. Feels really strong and secure. I mean, that's actually a really solid magnet there. Even rotating this around is much harder than on a lot of the other phone cases that I have reviewed, and so very strong magnets in this Fusion case from Ringke. I personally am not a fan of completely clear cases, but I know for those that want a case to protect their phone, but they don't want to miss out on just seeing the color and style of the phone, it's a great option. And being these days that these types of cases are not fingerprint magnets and they don't yellow up like they used to, they're definitely much better cases. On the back, we have kind of a soft, smooth texture, and then on the sides, we have a little bit more of a silicone kind of rubbery texture that helps with the grip of the phone and holding onto your phone nicely. When we look at the front of the phone, we've got decent protection all the way around. You can see there's kind of some air pockets in here, definitely adding protection around the corners. Just like most of the other Ringke cases, it's trimmed down along the sides. This one really far. It starts to taper down right about here, and then it picks back up all the way down here. And so the case is not going to get in your way, especially if you're swiping from sides to side, trying to access things on your phone. The case just gets out of the way, which I really like about it. Now let's try that camera control. Let's initiate camera and turn that on and just see how the camera control button works as we swipe and try to slightly double tap to get to camera settings and then go back to zoom. Definitely really responsive. I think a lot of case manufacturers are trying to figure out what's the best way to allow this to work without getting in the way. I think Ringke's done a good job of figuring out where to trim and how much space to leave in there. So overall, I do really like this case, even though I'm not a super fan of complete clear transparent cases. I think they did a great job with this one, especially with how strong that magnet is on the back. A lot of times now I'm using MagSafe stuff, not even just for wireless charging, but for shooting video and stuff like that. And the stronger the magnet on the back of the phone, the better, because I'm going to feel more secure about my phone being attached to things. And so I think Ringke did a great job with just a super strong magnet on the back of this case. And so whether I'm charging on a MagSafe charger or I'm using a MagSafe accessory, I'm going to feel pretty safe and secure there.